Welcome back. I'm Mike Jordan, head of the Asset Master Data Practice. We met earlier, and we're really proud to have Barclay Croftland with us of Enbridge.
Yeah, I'm Barclay Crossland, work for Enbridge Pipeline. I work in the Maintenance Management Systems Department as a work manager, primarily overseeing technology and data from a gas transmission perspective.
Talk about your transformation.
Through all those acquisitions, mergers, and sort of a consolidation of a number of different companies, joint ventures are part of that, we landed in a place where we have a number of different maintenance management systems. There's several instances and installations of SAP. There's several installations and instances of Maximo across the system. There's also outside of Maximo and SAP spreadsheet systems in SharePoint, and they're all there to manage data and maintenance. So this journey that we're on is taking all of those systems and all of that data inside of those systems inside of individual business units and converging them to one. And so, as you can imagine, in a company with 60,000 kilometers of pipe, 50 years of vintages of equipment and installations of these systems, we have a fairly diverse.
You guys have been moving energy for a long time now. What's the motivation now to do something different?
It certainly, with all of those vast differences, the support and sustainment model that we would need in place to manage 5 different maintenance management systems in the event we want to continue the growth of the business and continue down the path of continual improvement. Trying to do that in multiple systems certainly makes it a much more complex movement forward. So standardization, removal of customization where possible, and really driving to good data really helps us leverage that business intelligence piece where we can move to an artificial intelligence model in some places and machine learning model in the name of growing and delivering that energy more reliably to the businesses and the people out there. So before I jump into the additional benefits, this is clearly one of the additional benefits we want to get from our future state Maximo implementation with the backend Oracle and our mobile solution. We want to geo-bundle work across our massive transmission footprint. If we have technicians in certain areas and there's work coming up within the next week or 2 weeks, why would we not allow them to see that work through a geo-bundling of work orders that are sitting in the system for them to execute that work while they're there, if time permits. What's next for CDAT? So we did the pilot project in the Western Canadian transmission system, and now we're looking to a longer term agreement with the actual technologies that you have seen. We want to implement a 3 to 4 year program around the support, sustainment, and enrichment of our data.